You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this tree, a tall, broadly conical cedar tree. Alright, so let's break down how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, British English and American English we'll get to in a second. In British English in this UK, it is pronounced as Deodar. D-A-D-A. 3 syllables, and the stress is on the first one, Deodar. Now in American English in the US, it's said rather similarly as Deodar. Deodar. So Deodar or Deodar. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.